आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
A new homeowner drew a floor plan of her new house in which 1 inch on the floor plan is equivalent to 18 inches on the actual floor. If the actual longest side of the floor in one of the bedrooms is 153 inches, what is the length of the longest side of the same bedroom in the floor plan? So, as per the question, in one of the bedrooms, the length of the longest side, the actual length of the longest side is given as 153 inches, and we have been asked to find the same length in the floor plan, that is the magnitude by which this length will be represented in the floor plan. Okay, so the information that has been given in the question is that 1 inch on the floor plan is equivalent to 18 inches on the actual floor. Okay, so writing down this information, we can write this in the form that 18 inches on the actual floor, 18 inches on actual floor is equivalent to 1 inch on the floor plan. 1 inch on floor plan. Okay, so from this information we can write that 1 inch on the actual floor, 1 inch on actual floor will be equivalent to, here we already have 1 and 18 will go down in the denominator, so we will be having 1 by 18th inch on the floor plan. Okay, so we have found that on the actual floor a length of 1 inch is equivalent to a length of 1 by 18th inch on the floor plan. Now from this we can write that 153 inch, a length of 153 inch on the actual floor, a length of 153 inch on the actual floor will be equivalent to, we have to multiply 1 by 18 with 153, hence 153 will come in the numerator, in the denominator we have 18. So we have found that 153 inch on actual floor will be equivalent to 153 by 18 inch on the floor plan. Okay, and this value 153 by 18 when calculated using a calculator comes out to be 8.5. Okay, so 153 by 18 inch on the floor plan can be written equal to 8.5 inch on the floor plan. So we have found that a length of 153 inch on the actual floor will be equivalent to a length of 8.5 inch on the floor plan. That is exactly what the question asks us. So we can conclude that 8.5 is the correct answer.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, जेईई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।